Hello and welcome to ET Now. Today we are in Gift City, Ahmedabad, and I am joined by very special guest, Bala Subramaniam, MD and CEO of NSE IX. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, sir. Sir, just to begin with, I just want to ask you, now we have seen in last few years, number of Indian investors have gone many-fold, and many Indian investors want to invest in foreign markets, global markets, and presently options are limited, and now you have launched this NSE Global Access. So, to which all markets Indian investor would be able to invest?
So, NSE IX Global Access is a recent initiative from NSE IX. NSE IX is a subsidiary of NSE, and NSE IX Global Access is our subsidiary.
Okay.
And this basically we became the first global access provider with the license from IFSC authority. So, it's a fully regulated entity. What the Global Access Company or NSE IX Global Access Company is, it will be like a platform.
Okay. Rolling. Hello and welcome to ET Now. Today we are in Gift City, Ahmedabad, and I am joined by very special guest, Bala Subramaniam, MD and CEO of NSE IX. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, sir. Sir, just to begin with, I just want to ask you, now we have seen in last few years, number of Indian investors have gone many-fold, and many Indian investors want to invest in foreign markets, global markets, and presently options are limited, and now you have launched this NSE Global Access. So, to which all markets Indian investor would be able to invest?
So, NSE IX Global Access is a recent initiative from NSE IX. NSE IX is a subsidiary of NSE, and NSE IX Global Access is our subsidiary.
Okay.
And this basically we became the first global access provider with the license from IFSC authority. So, it's a fully regulated entity. What the Global Access Company or NSE IX Global Access Company is, it will be like a platform. It will be like a super broker. Effectively, any customer from India could basically go to our website nseixga.com and open their account and start transacting through that. Or they can actually download the mobile app either on Android or on iPhone by typing NSE IX Global on the Play Stores.
Okay.
And what it does is basically just like the way today how Indians trade on the NSE market.
Yes.
Through a broker, through an app on a mobile phone or on a website. Similarly, they will be able to now trade on the US markets.
Okay.
So we are already ready with our US offering.
So we can see that all the US market stocks are there. So we can buy through the platform these stocks.
Absolutely. So the way and it is a complete digital onboarding experience.
Okay, sir.
So the entire KYC will also happen digitally. You can remit money from your bank account to our account here in Gift City.
Okay.
And effectively, the thing is, as soon as you do that, it will be reflecting on this. You will get a trading limit power, and then you can start buying.
But the stocks are very expensive. You can see that Apple is at $272. So if somebody want to invest just $10, $20, the option is available to buy in fraction.
Absolutely, it's available. US market is one of the few markets which offers fractionalization. So even if I want to buy, say, $20 worth of Apple,
okay,
you can buy it. And basically, the thing is, you will get that 20. It's a value based. Okay. So effectively, you will get some point, whatever it is. But in your trading statement, you will get $20 worth of Apple.
Okay, just like in mutual fund, we see NAV units. Right?
Exactly.
So fractional also, if somebody want to buy Apple share, the option is available. And you are saying that there is no demat account requirement is there. Just your website, your app is enough. And,
absolutely.
PAN card or one PAN card is required and the bank account, and anyone can open it.
Absolutely. So this will be even through your DigiLocker. If you're almost everyone has a DigiLocker. You can just simply get it authenticated through your DigiLocker. Even those PAN card, Aadhaar card, all those details can be fetched from there and authenticated. So this entire experience will happen in less than 1 minute.
Okay, so it's a simpler than present our demat system is there in India.
No, in India, even today in India, the modern retail brokers are offering these kind of facilities.
Okay.
But this is only offered to Indian markets only. But what we are extending it to the international markets.
International markets. Which other countries are also they are part of this platform where Indian investor would be able to invest?
So today, both NYSE and NASDAQ stocks are available on the platform. And eventually going forward, we will be connecting all the bigger exchanges. So we are talking about connecting to 30 big markets.
30 big markets.
Europe, UK, We are looking at Japan, Korea, Australia, all these markets will start getting covered under that.
Okay.
So effectively people can buy, will have plenty of choice.
Okay.
And this is primarily targeted to investors who want to diversify their holdings. And obviously this platform, what we are going to do is, this will basically democratize the way today how Indian clients access stock market, which is very easy to do.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now they will be able to access international stock markets.
A lot of options for
and they
Indian
need not
investors.
go and find any foreign broker. They can just simply come to NSE IX Global Access, which is India's own institution.
Okay. And sir, so back end you have tied up with all these countries and brokers related to these countries?
Yeah, so the entire technology platform and all the kind of details in terms of ensuring that when you put an order real time, it goes and gets matched in those markets. We have got our tie-ups in terms of the foreign broker. So we are going to start with one, but eventually at some point of time we can look at many more options. And also what we are trying to do is also for institutional investors from India, we have a phase 2 plan in mind, wherein they can actually buy whole shares rather than the fraction. And we also want to offer them global custody in GIFT City.
Okay.
So today there are so many outbound funds from India, right, which are investing in the US markets. So all these markets can also be accessed through global access.
Okay, so now I'll ask a question related to NSE IX only, sir. So how the turnover is panning out, and what kind of capital flow you are seeing in any particular segment you are witnessing increased capital flows?
So right now what NSE IX offers is derivative products, Indian derivative products. There is also a scheme which has been announced by the government to allow direct listing of Indian companies. But at this point of time, we are pretty active on the derivatives. And more importantly, in 2022, Honorable Prime Minister flagged the NSE International Exchange Singapore Connect. That has gone fully live from July 2023. And the volumes there are going steadily. So GIFT Nifty, every day when you watch in the morning.
So we have seen the highest ever turnover also.
So last week we hit our record volume of $23.48 billion a single day. So our volumes are pretty strong on that. And this is entirely catering to the global investors or the offshore investors. And our volumes are actually double of the local Indian market on the futures.
Okay, so Indian corporates are also showing interest instead of going to for ADRs and GDRs?
Absolutely. In fact, just a fortnight back, we had the first GDR which decided to come back home, which is UPL. Before that, we had also got Dr. Reddy's ADR to be listed here. And I think this is basically now, I think listing platform on NSE IX is also becoming strong. We recently had one company filing for an IPO, a tech company called XCD. So we're going to see many more. And I think at some point of time when more and more investment opportunities or more and more equity products are also available, apart from debt, we already have more than close to about $65 billion of debt capital raised through our listing platform. So even this will happen. So this will also become a vibrant IPO market. Obviously, this is a dollar zone. So all the trading, all the investment happens in a dollar kind of form. And thirdly, we are also targeting NRIs in a big way. So there is a very large Indian expat community. So recently,
so what are the incentives and incentives for millions of NRIs to invest through your platform?
So one is GIFT City as a jurisdiction has no capital gains for non-residents. So there is no capital gain tax. Secondly, for non-residents, if they don't want to convert their money into the local currency, if they want to keep their savings in a dollar form, they can come to our exchange. And third is basically the thing is we offer our market on 22 hours. So effectively you can trade in your own time zone. So all through the day it is available. And in fact, of late we have been seeing a lot of disruptive announcements where volatility happens. So all players can actually use our market for the hedging needs also.
Okay, so my final question to you, sir, 5 years down the line when we will speak again in 2030, any set target by you on the turnover front, on the product front going ahead?
See, the trajectory is positive.
Yes, sir.
We definitely will want more and more capital to be raised in GIFT City. Probably we are also aligned with the Viksit Bharat vision or developed India, and I think our regulators also quite working with it. I think this is just the start of the story, and I think we are like still young kids. Younger kids grow faster.
Yes, sir.
So obviously NSE International Exchange will want to grow at a faster rate, and many more products, many more things will come, and I'm sure a lot of innovative structures are being enabled by the government, also by the regulators. And as an exchange, we are always there. Our technology is world class. We use the same tech stack which NSE offers. and obviously we can handle millions of transactions. We've got all the best kind of world-class technologies in terms of co-location offered, and global investors are already embraced to us. So in some sense, I think the only path forward is growth.
Growth only.
Right?
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure talking to you.
Sure, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.